by Sir Pons, the daily flights in Manila, and we also have in Clark, and we have also given you the flyers upon during the registration. Now, this is where Travel Care also comes in with our services. Now, we offer hotel accommodation and airport transfer. So here are our travel dates. Now, some of the October 23 to 27 and October 24 to 27, it's all sold out. Now, almost sold out. It's Hotel Midtown Richardson, which is only 7-minute. It's a 7-minute walk away from the presidential place, now where the starting point of the 42K, 21, and 10K is. And then Green World Linson Hotel is near the 3K, the starting point of 3K, which is the Naja River. And then Hotel Papaway is also quite near in Shimenting. It's also near the presidential place. So we have contact numbers, we have emails here, and we also have the registration link. It is in the flyers provided. So you can just communicate with us, since we will handle your stay in Taipei during the EVA Air Run Marathon. Okay, so we made it very affordable because our goal here is really to strengthen Team Philippines. As we have our power center from the Department of Education, which they will also endorse an athlete, student athlete, and of course the Philippine Sports Commission will also endorse. So that once again, together with Ms. Mary Joy and the rest of the marathoners, we will strengthen Team Philippines this time for the EVA Air Marathon that will happen in Taipei this October 26, 2025.